guys, welcome back to my channel where you could see a whole lot of fashion, beauty, lifestyle and just candidly me. And it's the end of December and you know what time it is. It's the vision board time, and today that is exactly what we're going to do. And last year at the same time I did make one vision board, and yes, some things worked, some things didn't work, and that is why we're exactly here today. We are going to talk about things that didn't work out for me and why they actually didn't work out. That is what I'm going to tell you guys. And this is not a manifest your life overnight kind of video. This is about what I did wrong, other mistakes that I did, so you guys can look into them so that you guys don't make them when you are making your vision board now. And how can you make a vision board that can truly change your life? Because you know, आपने इतनी सारी videos देख ली होंगी at this point that you know that vision boards do work, but only if you make them right and you actually put in efforts. So first of all, this was my vision board that I made last year. It had glow up energy, clear skin, healthy hair, fitness and confidence, social life, friendship, career, growth, money, Instagram, YouTube, content creation, and on the surface it looked perfect. But here's the truth. When I was making vision board ना, हम क्या करते हैं, we go through Pinterest and we look for the most aesthetic pictures and हम वही जाके paste कर देते हैं and we think that oh my god it will magically work. But you know it will not. Manifestations don't work until you do. The things I worked on did happen. The things I did not work on didn't happen, of course. And अगर आप एक बार ये चीज accept कर लोगे, it will all start to make sense and you will realize कि आप कहाँ पे गलत जा रहे थे. So let me start with what did work for me. Hair, skin and body goals did come out. Like, can you see? I'll put the pictures of my before and after. This was my face, my hair, and this is how my body looked. ये सब इसलिए हुआ था because I made routines, I followed them, I showed up even on days when I had low energy. So मैंने सिर्फ सोचा नहीं था that I want good skin, I actually worked towards it. I showed up consistently and that is why I achieved these goals. And that is why this part of my vision board did work. But now let's talk about the uncomfortable part. Things that did not work out and why they didn't. The number one mistake that I made was मैंने अगर vision board बना लिया, so I thought that oh magically things will happen in the favor of me. But of course they didn't because I didn't do anything about it. I thought कि अगर मैं इसको रोज देखूंगी things will happen. But vision board are not wishes. They are reminders. They are there to remind you that this is what you have to achieve so that you work towards it. The second mistake that I made was not trusting the process. I wanted Instagram growth, YouTube subscribers and everything, but I didn't want to do the process that was required to achieve that. All I wanted was instant results and that is why they didn't come true. Hardly posted anything. I was very inconsistent with my YouTube work and I actually made my Instagram account private in the whole process because I was just too exhausted and tired from all of it. And being consistent when no one was watching it. I know these are the difficult parts and that is how you reach your bigger goal. So I think that is my new 2026 vision कि I want to be consistent even if things are not really working in my favor right now, and because I know that one day they will and I'm really hoping for that day. You have to go through this whole process. You cannot avoid the process to achieve where you are. The third mistake that I made was no system and no structure at all. Only putting pictures, but how to reach there, I had no idea. For example, if my vision board said 100k subscribers, how am I going to reach that? How many videos do I need to post for it? How many days consistently, even when no one is watching, do we need to post it? That was not there. So I need to decide that कौन सा content डालना है. I need to be very particular about the things that I want, and that is how I'll reach the goal. And जब आप इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीजें डाल देते हो अपने विजन बोर्ड के अंदर and you do not know how to reach it, you obviously feel a lot overwhelmed. You do not know the path and that is why you procrastinate and you feel like oh, and the goal feels a lot far because you just don't know the path to reach there. So that mistake that you are going to avoid this year while making your vision board will be this, that make the whole process. Make short-term goals to reach that long-term one. Number 4 mistake. I know this is very important and everyone makes this mistake. That is only consuming and not creating, not executing what you are learning. अभी आप ये vision board वाली video देख लोगे, you'll watch 100 videos like this, but you will still not work on them. Then what's the point? You are just wasting your time. I spent more time watching glow up videos and saving aesthetic posts and romanticizing कि अगर मेरे इतने followers हो जाएंगे, this is the speech I'll give, without doing the actual work. And I remember last year I made a lot of videos, a lot of long form videos, and I did not post even one of them because I didn't enjoy the editing. I procrastinated. I thought कि oh ठीक है बाद में and I delayed so much that it's been whole year and I did not post even a single video. And there was this 100k subscribers on YouTube on a vision board. So how do you think that's going to work? Obviously it did work out. That is one mistake that I am learning from my 2025 vision, and I hope that you do learn a few things from that as well. The big truth about manifestation that no one really tells you is alignment. Manifestation is not really attraction, it's alignment. It's like कि जैसे आप सोच रहे हो and you know that in the future it's going to happen. You are just aligning these both things. Do not attract what you want. Attract what you like. And this is so important. Stop putting aesthetic posts from Pinterest just because you like them. The right way to make your vision board is now what I'm going to tell you. Focus on your identity instead of just outcomes. For example, कि मेरे को सिर्फ सक्सेसफुल होना है, that should not be the only outcome. I want to be someone who shows up daily because that is how you'll be consistent. So instead of saying that I want to be successful, maybe try saying that I want to be someone who shows up daily. So the right way to make your vision board is सबसे पहले the first thing that we'll do is make your goals. We'll divide your goals into 4 parts. You can do career, relationship, body, physical glow up, hobbies, or I'll put the list of all the things that you can put in your vision board. Whatever 4 or 5 things work for you, you can choose that. Then you'll write the goals that you want. Whatever goal you want to achieve in that particular field, you will put up that. And when you have written those goals, you will put them to shorter goals. And then you're going to find the pictures on Pinterest. That is just the last step. I know it's fun and the difficult part है वो starting में आता है, but that is how you reach the final part and that is how you actually achieve things on your vision board. And एक बार आपने सारी pictures निकाल ली, then you can paste it and put up on your wallpaper or in your room maybe where you can see it on a daily basis. And again, they will not work until you do. So please keep that in mind. So focus on your shorter goals first and you will automatically reach to your bigger ones. And finally, coming to the final part, the emotional realization. You need to connect with what you are going to achieve with what you are actually feeling. I realized कि कुछ चीज़ें मेरे विजन में सिर्फ इसलिए थी just because they were aesthetic. I didn't even actually wanted to be that person. So that is very important that you actually put up things that you actually want to be. Do not compare yourself with कि oh उसके vision board में ये है तो I want to put that. Keep it very subjective. Finally coming to the end, if you're watching this and feeling stuck, it's not because your dreams are too big. It's just because they need movement. And if this video helped you, do like it, subscribe to my channel. And what's one goal that you are ready to do in 2026? I will start with mine that I want to post one video consistently on YouTube. That will be a long form video. Comment down yours so that we can all glow and grow together. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.